Hi everyone, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender and today we're making a Caipiroska. In particular, we're making a mango and passionfruit Caipiroska. This is pretty much like what me and my wife are going to be drinking for Christmas Day. I know for those of you who are over in the US and other wintry regions, this might be a little bit odd to you, but for us, Christmas is summer. Usually Christmas Day is like 40 degrees Celsius here in South Australia. So therefore, there's a lot of tropical fruits and it's summer for us. So generally, we've always got a fruit platter on the table. And then obviously mango and passion fruit are two of those fruits that we're gonna put together and drink some easy drinking vodka cocktails. If you've got a bottle of cachaça, you could make a caipirinha, a fruit caipirinha, but nice and easy one to make. Only a few ingredients. Start off with a lime, and you can cut the lime into quarters or eighths, whatever you like. And I'm just using a simple syrup, so I'm just going to do 15 ml, half an ounce. I'm not doing a lot of simple syrup because I'm going to have the fruit in there as well, so it's going to have those fruit sugars as well as that. And then just a bit of a light muddle, extract some of the lime juice out of that fresh lime. Not too much, so you don't get a lot of that bitter, pithy kind of note from the lime rind. And measure out 60 ml, 2 ounces of your choice of spirit. Caipiroska, so vodka. You can change it to a rum, Caipiroska. And then, I like how I'm talking about the fact that it's fresh produce available at this time of year, and I'm still using jarred passion fruit, but there's no added sugar to this, it's just passion fruit pulp. So I'm just gonna add, say, 3 bar spoons. Add that straight into the shaker. Me and my wife were arguing a little bit beforehand, debating on, I was just going to go a passion fruit Caipiroska, but she wants the blend of passion fruit and mango. So it'll be interesting to see how it goes. Hey? No. No. No.
Muddle my mango.
I'm not going to muddle your mango. It's PG. The mango is a really soft fruit, so if you give it a hard shake, it should pretty much like break down quite easily. Otherwise, you could also give it a gentle muddle. He's still laughing back there. And I've had a lot of people ask about Cat Cam. It's coming. We've got the keys to the new studio. I just haven't set it up yet. It's been a crazy finish to the year. So, Cat Cam, coming soon. Stay tuned. So give that a quick shake. And you guys are in for a treat because I'm going to be uploading 2 videos today, and I'll do another Christmas cocktail specifically for those people in the winter areas. Just shake and dump straight into the glass. And finish it with a Surfside Sips. Go to surfsidesips.com and use STB20 for 20% off your borosilicate glass straws. Oh yeah, and garnish with fresh passion fruit. Boom, lovely. They have a mango and passion fruit Caipiroska. Cheers. Yum. Super easy to drink. It's quite tart from the passion fruit and the lime. Not too sweet. I think that was a good call, doing half a measure of simple syrup. Plenty of fruit sugars in there as well. 40 degrees, on Christmas Day for us, this is going to go down a treat. Thanks for watching. Make sure you stay tuned. Check out the next video for the winter Christmas cocktail. Okay. So I wish you all a safe and Merry Christmas, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.